I just came out the airport.
Where are you? There you go.
Yeah, look at eggs.
Yay!
Yay!
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! All right. You want to go to Victoria's birthday party? This way. Everybody follow me.
It's Victoria's birthday.
Yeah, the first have come to play. Hey, move, get out the way. Get out the way.
What is happening?
We're wrong. Right, you guys. Victoria, we went to follow the balloons. It's the house with the balloons. The house with the balloons. Balloons, balloons, balloons. Yay! FBI, open up. FBI, open up. I'm coming in.
Victoria, the bird or the horse?
I know. Which one is Victoria?
The one with the hat? The one with the birthday hat. She got the candles on the hat.
Oh.
Of course. I'm just going to dance in the corner while y'all talk. Whoop, whoop. It's small in here.
I know. Like, goodness gracious.
It's small. I'll move in the corner. I'll be against the wall.
Ah!
I'll be against the wall. I gotta lick the wall. I gotta lick the wall.
FJ, you're hogging the birthday girl.
There you go. Move. Get out the way.
She's like, who are you?
You came all this way for my birthday? I like her lamp. You see her lamp? It's pink. I've never seen a lamp like that.
Oh, you know what I just got today? A soft serve ice cream lamp.
Oh.
Present.
He calls me tater tot.
They had it in my nooks and crannies. The soft serve ice cream.
I'm gonna blow out her candles. Alright, Cranston, get out of my way. I don't want to talk to you anymore. Stop calling me tater tot.
Did you even get a present? Did
Makes me
any
feel
of you
sick.
get a present?
Blew out her candles. Lit them again. Blew out her candles. Lit them again.
Did any of you get a present?
Why, she gave you a present?
No, I gave her a present. I was literally the only one who gave her a present. At least that's what I know.
Yay!
Oh, I gave her a present.
So funny.
I can give it.
What to do next, Queen Lynn? Oh, you guys want to just roam around and find all the changes I've made?
I
want to do the tricycle race. Okay, when they're all ready.
A flashy hairpin. She gave me a flashy
Come
hairpin.
on, let's go to the Chinese restaurant.
Basketball
Oh, she gave you a flashy hairpin?
top. Top of it.
Look, eggs. Did you see the Chinese restaurant? Eggs. Eggs. This way. Have some Chinese food.
Really?
Hey guys, I'm already there.
How big
Yeah,
is
came a dining.
your
Yeah,
island?
came a second.
Her island
So
is
bad.
huge.
Gonna dine? Come on, let's have some food. Oh, when you sit at the table, look, it does the lazy Susan.
This is
In the middle.
the huge Queen Lynn Island.
I'm over the little brick bridge where you see the bamboo. And there's the Chinese restaurant. Only thing I don't know what the humor
Why it
basket.
won't let me get on the tricycle?
Oh, you're gonna try and get on it?
I thought
We're having Chinese food right now.
It wouldn't let me
Yeah.
get on the tricycle.
Yeah, I can't even do the back entrance. Don't ask.
I
We're
thought you
having
could
Chinese
ride the
food.
trikes.
You can push it and pull it.
Oh, I thought you meant ride it.
No, I told you.
Well, that was a whole waste of time.
You said a trike race. I didn't think I was gonna be pushing it.
Wait,
Pushing
so when
and
you
pulling,
mean a trike
yeah,
race,
to get to the
you
finish
mean
line.
you're just pulling?
Okay, you want to do that?
Yeah.
She's obviously over there. Everybody line up. Line up. Everybody line up. Line up. Come on, bubble guppies. Come on, bubble guppies.
Why?
You gotta move down.
I can't push it or pull it. You're the only
Ready?
one who can do it.
FJ, move down, move down, move down, move down, move
We
down.
can't do it on your island.
Forgot.
Oh, that is legit stuff.
Oh man, no race today.
Oh, man.
Hi,
Where's my
Fauna.
angry emoji? Where's my angry emoji?
That's not angry.
That's not angry.
I can't even pull that. I swear. I'm trying to pull.
Where's my angry emoji? There it is. There we go.
I'll get out.
OMG.
Fauna's like, what is wrong with you people? All right, let's go to the promenade. Oh, look. Did you discover the playground?
Yeah, I did.
The playground, at the playground.
Where
Can you
in
even
the world
see?
am I now? Am I on a whole new island?
I'm looking for nooks and crannies.
Where'd you go?
I jumped in the pipe and now I have no idea where I am.
Maybe you're on the promenade?
Where'd you put nooks and crannies at?
Look at the
About
map.
it's next to the Able Sisters. It's right
Oh,
next to
okay. You moved a lot of houses, and you've been moving a house a day.
Queen Lynn. It's Queen Lynn. Oh, you're on the promenade. This is the promenade. Look. Look out the water. Egg, look out the water. Look out the water. See the water? This is the promenade. This is the promenade. This is the promenade. Look, Egg, come here. Where'd you go?
She has a lot
Where'd you
of
go?
houses.
Come back. Come back to the promenade. I want to show you something.
She has pipes
By the museum.
everywhere. Pipes and pipes and pipes.
Yeah, you can pipeline in the whole island.
I wish Hello Kitty stuff was so available.
Look, see where you can spot the whale. Spot the whale.
You have to get like that amiibo card to get the Hello Kitty stuff.
I know, I wish they did it like Mario.
Found it. Found it.
I
I'm not
think they're doing it. They're doing orange pads.
It's still on there, you just have to do the amiibo, I think.
Look, you can make an icy.
What is this?
You can make some cotton candy. Some popcorn. And Godzilla is protecting us. Hey, thanks, Godzilla.
Okay, you two.
What is this? Does anybody know what this statue is supposed to be? Like,
The statue?
the head.
Oh.
Not the Moen head. The other one. The round one. I meant to look that up. I don't remember. I never found out.
You just have so many spaces on your island that have like designated. I need to do more designated spaces on mine.
Yeah, it takes time. That's how you get my 1,000 hours of playtime.
Wait, how long have you played Animal Crossing exactly?
Oh, I don't even remember. The other day, like not too long ago, they gave me a message that I played for 300 days. I was like,
What
oh wow.
the heck?
1,305 hours.
What the heck?
Queen Lynn is legit Animal Crossing.
Why don't you get a VR
But it's still
headset?
not the way I want it. Like, there's still other things. Like, I gotta figure the other
Can
houses.
we play hide and seek museum run?
Like, I did
Hide and seek in the museum
I
again?
see the beachfront, but now I want to do something in the other houses. I want to do them like lakefront.
All
I
right,
want to
guys.
like
Can we
find
do
a
the-
way to put in a
Can we do
big
museum
lake
rush
again.
hide and seek? Can we do museum rush hide and seek?
I don't know if that's a game for this for streaming for a video, because it takes too long.
It's fun though. I want them
It
to see
wouldn't
how
be
it's
that
done.
fair if it was a hide and seek in the museum.
So everyone to the museum.
Did you see the orchard?
No, I'm by your house.
Oh, well then you should have. You passed the orchard then.
I'm just
Oh no, I see the orchard. I came from the other direction.
Who just typed that?
FJ.
Oh.
FJ being scandalous. FJ, did you see the orchard?
I like it. That's cool how you set it up.
Yeah, I like it, but some of the trees are not growing in. I gotta keep replacing them.
Why are they not
Woman,
growing? They're too
walking
close
us.
together?
But some of them grew, but then some of them didn't, and they were the same distance, which doesn't make sense.
Mm.
So then I just started replacing them. Anna, stop following us. She's following us wherever we go.
She wants to be a part of the
Next
gameplay.
to the museum, I want to explain how
He said.
to the viewers how museum rush is
Put
played.
every type of flower here. Every single type of flower. Even
Where
the
are you?
fire flower.
The firefly.
The garden.
You two, what happened to the freebie place with the laundry?
I just deleted that thing for the trike, the non-existent trike race.
The fake trike race.
I gotta put the laundry back. I'll put it back. I wanted to make more machines and stuff. So look at the dance floor. You like that?
Yeah.
Should we do a KK concert later? He's not gonna do it now. Will he do it now?
I don't think so. I think he says, what is it, after 3 or something?
No, it's after 6. After 6, then we
What's the buzzing? I'm putting on another show. I'm not taking requests right now.
at 6 p.m.
Yep. Catch me then, you dig?
Back to the museum.
What is this?
Guys,
Where are you, Egg?
Oh, that's the statue without a head.
I'm just looking at what's.
But he's by the museum.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the one that I was telling you about. What is that? That's the one I was asking. What does that represent? Like, I know the other one is from, like, the Easter Island thing. But that one I've never seen before.
Yes.
It looks like Mayan or something.
hello.
The one without the
Don't be
head.
rude.
I just want to
We're all going to the museum. He said, do you want to do museum rush? Hide and seek?
Museum rush. Maybe 1 round.
One
One round and everybody hide. How about that?
Who's gonna find then?
You find whoever, right? So everybody has to find
FJ
everybody,
Seek.
Okay.
right?
You seek
Okay.
each other?
That way it can be fast. And we don't spend too much time doing that.
I don't understand this.
I don't need
Come on, I thought it was
So,
So-
it normally.
So, Egg, you hide,
what?
I hide,
Oh, I
everybody
have an
hides,
idea.
and then somebody starts a timer, and then we all find each other.
I have an idea.
What's the idea?
So, like, there's one seeker,
I've had
and
it.
every time someone gets found, they become a seeker until the time runs out and there's no one left or one person left.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so I'll do that. So everybody hides. I find the first person. The first person helps me find the second, the third person.
And then on and on
And on and on.
until the time
Yeah.
Okay.
goes up.
Okay, I'm going to hide. Get out of my
Alright.
way, Jet. Out of my way.
Urgh. I
gotta
know.
hide.
You,
FJ gotta hide because he can't see where I'm hiding.
I know y'all played hide and seek more than me, so y'all know more spots. So it's better I'm the seeker since I don't play with y'all hide and seek as much. Cause y'all would probably pick each other right away.
I'm already here. You can't look at my screen.
I'm not even paying attention.
And I can't look at yours.
I like the promenade section. It's cute. The Statue of Liberty.
Yeah, I like that. I saw that idea on Pinterest and I was like, oh, I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm hidden, kind of.
It's like kind of remember
I'm not done hiding.
oh, it's like the promenade in the Jersey City.
Oh, okay.
Okay, guys, I'm hiding. I'm hidden.
not
I'll do the
done.
timer.
Wait, P-Ted does the timer. P-Ted, do you have a timer? FJ to do it. Okay,
Okay,
can
I'm
do it.
in.
ready?
We're gonna do it for 15 minutes.
On your mark. No way.
Not 15
5
minutes. That's too long.
This video is gonna be
Hey, set it for 5 minutes or 6 minutes.
Okay, start 5
Yes,
minutes.
5 minutes. On your mark, get set, go.
Sit down. Dog interrupter. Oh, goodness.
All right. Let's see. Let me start in the fish section. Fishy.
Bad dog. Sit down. No talking now.
You
No
said
peeking, FJ. No peeking.
no
No
talking
peeking
back.
duck.
This is gonna be a weird video.
It is.
So much going on. Stop.
Whoever's in the fishy section, you about to get found. Fishy. Fishy.
This is weird. Hey, cheater.
You found it?
No,
You found egg?
No, you looked at my screen.
I did, but I forgot.
Mom, get me in the eye. Sorry, FJ.
But I didn't even see him, but I saw the section. But
Stop.
I'm gonna not.
I'm not telling anyone though. Yeah, but you're gonna help her search if she finds you.
Yeah,
Don't cheat on me. I'm not cheating on you, but you're cheating on me.
that's just the rule.
Oh yeah, I'm happy with this.
If she finds Queen Lynn, basically, I feel like it's gonna be an automatic win.
What if I find Queen Lynn?
Yeah.
I'm so bad at hide and seek though.
Aren't you gonna run around so it's faster?
I'm running.
You're walking. You have
I-
to hold B to run.
I'm already about to lose. Look, there's not enough time left. There's two.
Oh, wait, I think I know where. Nope, no one's up there.
I thought for sure FJ would be in there.
No.
Sorry, I had to mute you guys. Dog problem. Dog barking problem. So where are we at?
I'm looking.
Oh, okay. I can't even tell if you're about to find me or not because I can't see. I can't see you at all.
I'm trying. I don't know. I'm looking.
I say after this we do a swimming contest. Do the sea creature contest. Hey, let me just.
After this.
Hey, let me look at. Okay.
Maybe okay.
I'm about to lose without finding
You didn't
anybody.
get nobody?
No.
Best game ever. Peachette found zip. Let me make sure I move my thing so that I don't lose connection. Staying still for too long, we're gonna end up losing the connection.
I know.
Move your person, FJ and Egg. Move your person a little bit so that you don't lose the connection.
I've been doing emotes and looking at my inventory.
Oh, okay. All right, you got 20 seconds. Come on.
Your mom.
Come on. Let's see if we can find another one. No?
One. Your mom is done. I win. No one without me.
And Legend won. I mean, I'm sorry, FJ. No, Egg. Oh, God, I messed it up.
The both of us won.
I didn't even hear you. I just heard
Let's
a lot
go.
of screaming.
You see, look, my picture. I finally got a nice big one that wasn't fraud. I hardly got any artwork because every time I buy artwork, it's fraud. Look at all this blink.
Yeah, that's why I stopped, because I don't trust Red. And
Red
you know,
Outside
serious
the
shenanigans.
museum.
and if I see him
I
again.
buy so much artwork from him, and I have everything.
Do you mind if I leave for like 5 minutes? Leave the island for like 5 minutes? I gotta get
Yeah.
stuff.
Oh,
I gotta get
okay.
Yeah. FJ is going home, and he'll come back.
I'll be back.
I'll be back. Terminator.
Mom, I wasn't
Bad
even,
dog.
Mom, I
Try
wasn't
it.
even trying to do a Terminator reference.
Okay.
I wasn't even
Okay.
trying. So could you please?
Okay. Shush.
So could you please?
It's been 23 minutes since we started and everybody's going crazy.
Alright. This is a wild video.
It is.
So do you want to do the sea creature rush, or we
Okay.
just go back to exploring the aisle?
We can do the sea creature rush
Sea creature or not. So
And-
where should we meet at?
and see who can catch the most sea creatures.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that thing that's in the timer. It's that one.
So where should we meet?
Or it just
I
comes
think
with-
we each take a corner of the beach.
Okay, this is my corner
Yeah.
of the beach.
We each take a corner.
this little area.
No, like you take a corner, like you're on one side of the beach and I'm on the other and he's on the other.
Should it be 10?
Okay.
Should
Somebody
it be,
can leave from the
should
secret
it be
beach.
10 or 15, 5 or 3 minutes?
Maybe 5.
Tell me when
Where-
you're ready.
Where are you at? Oh,
You see me?
no. I'm trying to go all the way to the far side.
Do you even have a
You can jump off the cliff by my house.
Do you have a swimsuit?
Are you by your house?
No, I'm by the
Do you
museum.
even have a
Yeah,
swimsuit?
I have a
The
swimsuit.
museum.
Okay.
All right. Well, you guys tell me. Do we want to get in the water first?
Can I? Oh,
Ah.
can I jump on these things? No.
Tell me when you're ready.
I gotta change. Bless you.
Thank you. Is that your swimsuit?
Yeah.
So ready?
Alright, wait, I was trying to see if anything would block me jumping from there. All right. Are y'all ready to go?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
I'm ready too.
I'm ready.
Hey, I can't find my phone.
Ready, set, go.
Yep. Time has started. Alright.
All right. We're on the sea creature hunt.
I already got one.
I got a sea pineapple.
A sea pineapple.
Got a barnacle. I hate this stuff that's
Did
in
you
this
get a
butter.
sea pineapple?
There is nothing good.
Did you?
Yeah, I got a sea pineapple.
Don't come back. You have to
I
wait.
should have made a joke.
They're gonna mess us up.
What'd you get? Oh, what?
Got an octopus.
Queen Lynn, have you caught anything?
Yeah, I got two.
I caught 3 things. They're so far away from each other.
It's a workout. You're getting the daily swimming.
Yep, right? Might as well.
What happens when
I need more fundage to keep my projects going.
What happens when our pockets are
Oh,
full?
please. You're a multi-billionaire.
Billionaire! Gonna get a billionaire. I'm almost to 10 billion.
10 billions?
10 billion.
10 billions.
10 billion.
Not
No,
enough
10
to
million. No. Or what about 10 billion? 10 billion sounds like billions, close to billions. And I'm not there.
Hello.
Oh no!
Oh, I see ya.
Egg is in my way! Egg on my face.
Egg on your face. Ah. That's why I wanted to go all the way to the other side, so I didn't cross past you guys.
Seaweed.
I only got 4.
I have 5.
You know, you should show off, Egg. You should show off.
Show
I'm
off.
about to get my 6.
Egg is a show off.
Oh, he's such a show off.
Egg is gonna beat us.
I'm telling you. I hardly swim anymore.
I barely swim at all.
Yeah.
I gotta see stuff.
But look, I make my bells other ways.
By selling a bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
Buying something.
I
selling it, and then
DIY a
using
lot.
repeat.
Oh yeah, DIY when they pay double is good, especially
Yeah, you
certain
know, I always
items.
can see what's on sale, what's the hot item.
I just caught sea grapes. I have 7. How many do you... Wait, you have 7 too.
Oh no, I have 6. Oh no, I need to.
Wow.
Come on, where are you?
I
Creatures?
literally don't see any. Oh, I see one.
Hiding from me. They're hiding from me because
I see 2.
I never swim. They're punishing me.
Stop looking at what I'm doing.
See how many you have. I have 8.
The competition is fierce out here in these waters.
Right?
Oh, there's a shark in the water. Watch out, people.
There's a shark.
There's a shark.
It's Shark
Saw
Week.
it from where I am.
There's a literal shark.
It's probably not a shark.
It might be. It's the time of day. They come out, different ones come out different times of day.
I just got my 10.
Show off.
It's not showing off, I'm telling you.
You're like, I'm telling you, so when I beat you.
I didn't say that.
Oh, I got a scallop and the otter is not going to be savored.
Oh, he's gonna be upset.
He's going to be upset.
11.
Oh, gosh. It's only 23 seconds more! I'm going to lose.
12.
Guys, I lost! Oh, my
Egg, you got me, Egg.
Eggs bested us.
By 1 point, he got me. I got 11, he got 12.
He scrambled our eggs.
What? What?
Eggs
She
always
said
back.
you scrambled our eggs.
He did. Did
How
you see my little
many egg puns are
surfboard
there
stand?
gonna be before this ends?
Actually,
There's
no,
a
no.
lot of egg puns happening here.
Should just throw an egg in your face. Oh, you're not. That's not funny.
Uh,
Did you see the surfboard stand? Tell you some wares.
I have no idea what's happening.
Oh,
Wait,
my bad.
Where are you guys?
I just shook your your coconut
What?
tree. I just shook one of your coconut trees by accident.
Oh, that's okay.
Look at how much I have.
It's a weird
Look.
looking, huh? Oh, you still have eggs in your
Yeah.
Egg has eggs in his basket. In his pocket.
Can you stop making bad puns and jokes?
It's called being funny. Well, I
Where
mean,
is your
she's like
nooks and
doing
crannies?
a wonderful job.
It's by the
Oh, you
Able
like that
Sisters,
one?
where she had the Able Sisters.
Wonderful job. Mm-hmm.
All right,
Where are you
well,
guys?
I'm on your beach relaxing.
I'm trying to find the nooks and crannies.
There, which beach?
I'm by your beachfront houses relaxing. This is where I'm gonna exit my video.
Okay. Wait,
The
did
video
you
is-
see the surf shop?
Yeah, I did.
Finally, I found the nooks and
Just making
crannies.
sure you saw the surf